Hello everyone, Spyron here. In today's video, we'll be talking about the AW2720HF from Alienware. This is a 1080p 240Hz monitor, and when I first bought it, I found out that the colors were a little bit washed up. It was a little bit blurry and hard to sometimes read texts on on an online page or sometimes even in games. So, and also black colors were a bit grayish. So I kept on like playing a bit around with you know, the color settings until I've reached a good calibration that you can try and see, you know, uh, if it's good or even a good standing point for you. So first up, you can just click on the button above, the one that controls the arrows. Here's the settings, custom color. You go to custom color, and in gain, this is the only one we've changed here. 98% on red, 97% on green, and blue on 100%. Again, you reach it by game, preset mode. There's one called offset. You see it's on 50%, the three of them. But on gain, first one is on 98 and then 97 on green and blue 100%. Then to go back again to see game enhanced mode off, AMD FreeSync on, and response time I found the speed spot to be on super fast. More than that would kind of make it worse than good. Reverse ghosting, dark stabilization not needed. It just tempers with the colors. Brightness on 73. I found it as a sweet spot. Contrast at 75. The rest are normal. Sharpness on 50. The rest is on the default settings. So again, found out that red 98%, green 97%, and blue and 100%. Kind of fixes the yellowish or orange tint that you might see on your monitor. Also fixes the whites to be true whites, and you don't need a dark stabilization. It really misses out, misses up the colors on your monitor. The whites get messed up so bad, so there's more harm than good. And for the brightness, as you've seen, the monitor is like so bright at a maximum, at its maximum capacity at 100%. So bright, even at 73%, it might be bright for some. So you can lower it down to say like 70% or even 68%. That for me, I found the sweet spot to be 73%. Also, you can every monitor differs. My color settings might differ than your, so maybe you'd have to bring the green a little bit down, to try and fix the yellow tint, the red and green a little bit more down and numbers. But if my numbers were good to you, you can just keep them, and that would be like a really big jump from the default color setting of that monitor. And I hope I've helped you in any way with that monitor. And if I did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.